Welcome to MyAmes Week 4. In Week 4, you will learn words about people, describing people, clothes, read a story and do activities about my daughter Emma. 2. People. Learn words. People. Click to listen.
Baby.
Turn. Next. Click to listen, turn, and then next. Slide 3. You have to type the word this one or this one in here. So this one would be baby. We type that in here. Baby. And check. Then this one would be girl. Girl. Check. Move on to the next slide. Go all the way through these slides. Excellent. This one is a drag and drop. Baby, baby, drag, and, drag, drop. Do them all and check. Keep going. Listening. Click.
Baby.
Baby. Baby. So now we have to type baby in here. Go down, find the right word, baby, baby, B-A-B-E. All the way through, check, listen. Again, and then don't forget to click the star at the end of the page. Describing people. Again, listen.
Tall.
Excellent. Then turn. Tall. Then next. All the way through. Again, the same as the other one. We type these words and put them into here. This one, and this one, all the way through. Don't forget to check at the end of them. Then we've got heavy or fat. They both are similar words, so we put one in there and one in there. Check, check. Go all the way through. Thin, skinny. All the way through, all the way through. Then again, drag and drop. Tall, average, average or short. Check. Then we do the listening. Again, listen.
Tall.
And type. Tall. Check. Good. Listen and type. Don't forget to push it at the end. Describing people. Listen.
Straight hair.
Straight hair. Next. Straight hair. Type. Check. Wavy hair. Type. Check. All the way through. Again. Drag and drop. Drag and drop. Straight hair. Drag, drop. Wavy hair. Drag, drop. Curly hair. Drag, drop. And again, slide 10. Listen.
Straight hair.
Listen and then type that in here. Don't forget to push the star at the end. Clothes. Learn words. Listen. Hat. Turn over. Hat. Again, next word. Scarf. Turn over. Scarf. Shirt, t-shirt, again. Type the word in there and check. Type, check. I move along a little bit. Another drag and drop. That's good. Dress, drag. Oops, drag, drag, drag and drop. Don't forget to check. And listening. Listen and type. Listen and type. When you're finished, check. Click the star at the end. My daughter Emma. Read to me or click here.
My daughter Emma.
Go all the way through the book until the end. Exercise 7. At the end of the story, this story is about Emma or Mary. Click probably and check. Now you can listen to Emma here by clicking on this one and following it here. My daughter Emma. Listen and do. This is my daughter, and we have to type the word Emma. Emma is 5 years old. We type 5 years old. Check. Keep going all the way through. Put in order. Drag and drop this one. This. This is my daughter Emma. Let me check. Do that right the way through. Keep going all the way through until the end. And again we check. Excellent. Well done. See you next week.